Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make Guyanese fried bake. Alright, I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make your fried bake soft, fluffy and tasty just like mine. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. Alright, and you guys can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, so I really hope you guys enjoy watching this Guyanese fried bake. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients. Hey guys, today we're going to be making some Guyanese fried bake. So our ingredients are, we have some salt here, we're going to be using some yeast, warm water, butter, sugar, and we have our flour here. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to take your yeast and you're going to pour it into the warm water. And you're going to take a spoon or so and mix it up, and you're going to let this rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, we'll be back. Okay guys, so while you're waiting for the yeast to rise, you're going to put some salt into your flour. You're going to mix it up. Then you're going to put in your butter. You're going to take your hands and mix up the butter now into the flour. So we'll be back. So I just finished mixing the butter into the flour. So what I'm going to do now is put in my sugar. Alright. So you're going to mix in the sugar now into the flour. Okay guys, so I'm going to pour my yeast now into the flour. And you're going to form your dough. You're going to take your hands and mix everything up. Okay guys, so you're going to knead your dough for about 3 to 4 minutes until it gets smooth. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so I finished kneading my bake and I rolled it into a ball. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take this plastic wrap and cover it and let it rise till it get like double in size. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay guys, as you can see, my dough has risen and it's double in size here. Okay, so you're gonna punch it down and you're gonna take out your dough out. First you're gonna do is just put a little bit of flour on the countertop and in your hands, and you're gonna put your dough there. Get up. So what you're gonna do now is take them out into pieces. It all depends if you want a large bake or small bake. So I'm gonna cut them. So I hope you guys can see. Yeah. So I'm gonna cut them into pieces. So I finished cutting them into pieces. So you have 11. I'm gonna get 11 bakes here. So what we're gonna do is put them one side. Like this, and do it one at a time. So you're gonna put some flour here. Hope you guys can see. Let me adjust this here. Yeah. Put some flour there, and you're gonna just fold them in. All right. fold them in and form like a ball, just like this. And then you're gonna put them aside. You're gonna do another one with some flour, and you're just gonna fold them in. Alright, so I'm gonna do the rest now and we'll be back. Okay guys, so I finished rolling out all 11 of the bakes. So you're gonna let this rest for another 10 minutes. You're gonna cover it, and I'm gonna put my oil to hot one time. We'll be back. Okay guys, so this is one of my bake here. So you're gonna take some flour and put it on your rolling pin, and you're gonna roll it out, okay? Don't roll it out too thin, because you want your bake to be fluffy, okay? So this is a good size here. You see the thickness here? Yeah, this is a good size. So my oil is hotting, so when my oil finish hotting, I'll put the bakes to fry. Okay, we have our pot there with oil, so you're gonna put the bake now into the pot and let it fry for about a minute on each side. So we'll be back. So my bake has been frying for about a minute, so now we're gonna turn it over and let it fry on the other side for about another minute. So we'll be back. So I'm gonna take out my bake now and put it with the rest of the other bakes here. So I'm gonna roll out some more. So we'll be back. These are the ones that finished already, and I also did some small ones for my baby. So we'll be back. So I'm putting in another set of bake here. You're gonna take your spoon and pour the oil on top of the bake. That's gonna help it to swell more. All right, and let it fry for about a minute, and then you're gonna turn it over. So we'll be back. See how my bake swell? So you're gonna turn it over now and let it fry on the other side. Okay guys, so my bake finished frying, so I'm just frying up some sausage in butter, and then I have some eggs here that I just put some seasoning inside. So I'm just gonna pour my eggs now into my sausage. So today I'm gonna eat my fry bake with some sausage and egg. Alright, I'm gonna let this fry and we'll be back. Okay guys, so my egg and sausage finished here, so I'm gonna show you guys the finished fry bake. Okay guys. Okay guys, so this is the end results from my Guyanese fry bake. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, as you can see here, my fry bake is very fluffy, soft, and it's very tasty. Alright, so I also did some small ones to my baby here. I'm gonna break one and let you guys see. So here you go. You just break the fry bake so you guys can see. This is how the inside looking. Alright, I'm gonna eat my fry bake with some egg and sausage. Alright, so hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Alright, so take care. Bye. Hey, I'm just showing you guys what I'm eating my fry bake with. Is my egg and sausage. Alright, so I really hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Take care. Bye. Hey guys, so this is my Guyanese fry bake and my egg and sausage. This is what I'm eating for breakfast today. So if you want to see how to make this delicious fry bake, just go to my YouTube channel, Cooking with Afton, or click the link in my bio. and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See, my fry bake is so fluffy and soft. Bye.